Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to save an Instagram reel in Gallery. It's quite simple. Just follow me till the end and you'll get the idea of how to do this. Now, there are two main methods to do this. One, if you've already posted a reel, you can easily download it by clicking on the reel, going down, clicking on the arrow mark, and then you can see an option where it says download on the bottom here. The other way is to do a setting while you post a reel so that when you publish a new reel, it automatically gets downloaded into your device. Now, how do you do this? Let's say you want to upload a reel, you click on the plus symbol, then you can click on the top right corner on the gear icon, and then you can go ahead and select the reels option. Once you do that, you will see the setting where it says save reels to device. Check this option. Now, the next time you publish a reel, it will automatically get downloaded into your device or gallery for that matter. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to save an Instagram reel in Gallery. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.